And this is where now the divine feminine healing comes in for this video. It was recently brought to my attention that the time of healers and witches that were on the planet, there was about 5 million that were killed by the churches. The goal was to eliminate the divine feminine, the intuition, the nurturing, the love that the feminine gave, not only to humans as a whole and a collective, but also to the planet. And when these visualizations started coming through, it was the divine feminine that came through, Mother Earth, and also the sacred masculine. And sending now the invitation to you, to those that feel drawn to this video, that may have had past lives in Lemuria, Atlantis, ancient Egypt, or as a healer or a witch, where you were using plants, where you were healing others, where you were using remedies, spells, anything along those lines to help others, to help the planet. And even if you are male or gender-free in this lifetime, you may have had another lifetime as a female when you were killed in one of these past lives. Or you may have been male and seen your loved one being killed before your eyes. There's healing within the divine feminine and the sacred masculine in this video. And what's come through is Mother Earth, the divine feminine, the sacred masculine have all come forward because during this heightened time of this solar eclipse energy, they're asking that for this healing to come forward, for us to move then into our destiny. This is time now to release that. Some of you may still feel angry towards the church. You may feel vengeance. You may feel, when you think of the church, your blood just may boil because you have remembrances of your death or what happened or what you saw before you. The horrific deaths and tragedies, the burnings, the violence and the torture that was done to all of these innocents. And so this healing is from the divine feminine, the sacred masculine, and Mother Earth, asking us now to heal this in our hearts, in our energy. And in turn, this is released, is cleansed from us, for us to rise into our destiny, into love, unity, and peace. You may feel tears flow. You may feel energy sensations move throughout the body with heat or cold. You may have the body convulsing at certain times. So please do either sit in a chair I recommend or laying down and getting a blanket, covering yourself, getting warm and cozy. And afterwards, having a glass of water, sitting in a contemplation and sitting with the energy that has moved through you. They have guided me to share specific video and pictures. And we're going to begin moving through the time of Lemuria, then Atlantis, then ancient Egypt, and then the time on earth of the healers, the witches, the seers, the oracles. All of these lifetimes are to be healed and cleansed and released at this time. So if you do feel this resonates with you in your heart, in your energy, please do take a seat or lay down, and we're going to begin. In just a moment, most of this video will be light language, will be singing, will be through vibration and tone. And this is the divine feminine, Mother Earth, and the sacred masculine coming through me, using me as a channel to help all of us at this time. Thank you all so much for being here. Love and light to all. Namaste. Om shiola kia mea siwana shiana lokoiana lekea mayumia shiano ala kui mia no liama shionium layama yumam. Ashikalai siano aliano shukuia maya no lokoiama shoyam nuyumam. I am a representative of the Divine Feminine to those that lived on Lemuria. We release and clear. We release and clear. We release and clear the trauma, the tragedy, and remember the love, the unity, and peace. Asakalakuyum nakalakishikia kawalakaya malakiana shikuliaya sukuyam nikalakia kakoyam nalakiyam. I am the Divine Feminine representative of Atlantis, and I'm opening a portal within you now. Shikalasikia kiyam no shukulaika yam no shukuisi anak ayam layam no yakuyamna. There is a lightning rod moving through the crown of your head now, through the spine, through the soles of the feet, releasing the trauma of your death. Remember the vibration, the healing vibration of this land. Releasing the masculine, that had turned. Shikiyamna sukuyamna lakayamna. Omna hiyam. Noa ho na hima homna. Salashia na sukuyam na lakayin na shia yom na lana yana mayuma. Sialaya no laina yomalia no mam. I am the Divine Feminine representative of Egypt, and clear and cleanse the traumas and tragedies of our kind. Ashikiyam nasikiyam layumaya malayumaya mayumaya layamaya maumamamamamoliyayam. The Divine Feminine now rises, joins with the Sacred Masculine as we heal, as we heal, as we heal. Shioloya maio, shioloya maho, alainaho, alaniaho. I am the Divine Feminine representative for the lands of the healers, the witches, the seers, the oracles that have been burned or tortured, and release and clear the traumas now. Release and clear the violence now. We bring in the new now. We birth the new now. We unite as one. We forgive, we forgive, we forgive. We release, we clear, we bring in the new. We rise from the ashes. A new day is upon us. We unite as one, stronger than ever before. Shiana la koyama liana oaya la kaina la omnali kaya omnali hiya hoala hiya la hoam. We bring forth the joy, the laughter, the rise of vibration as we unite, release the old, and bring in the new. Namaste. Take a moment now to take a long, deep breath in, slow breath out. Continue this a few more breaths slowly into the body. Slow exhale out. And when you're ready, opening the eyes. And you may want to tap your feet gently on the floor, grounding you back into the space. Asking now, bringing your hands, both hands, onto the heart in the middle of the chest, in your heart center, the heart chakra. And bowing down now. We're all bowing down to the Divine Feminine, the Sacred Masculine, and Mother Earth for these beautiful messages, healing, releasing, and clearing. And we invite now the new to come in with our destiny as we rise together. Thank you all for being here. Love and light to all. Namaste.